Welcome YouTube to the first edition of Mack Rescue. This is my new channel. I'll still be doing the home improvement and repair tips on the old channel, but this channel is solely going to be dedicated to this B model Mack rescue truck that was made in 1965 and last was in service in Lock Haven, Pennsylvania. It does need a lot of work. I'll be documenting repairs and restoration of this vehicle. It seems everywhere we go, this truck does get a lot of attention, so I'll be showcasing that on Instagram, on the Mack Rescue account, and on YouTube as well. So thank you for coming along for the trip. Click like and subscribe so that you can get future updates, and there will be a special video coming out May 4th. If you like money, you want to tune in to that episode. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to click like and subscribe and come back for future episodes. Now I'll take you on a walk around the vehicle and let you see a little bit more of it. As I mentioned, the truck was in service in Lock Haven, Pennsylvania. It is a 1966 B model Mack. It has a lot of storage compartments and a lot of character. It was a billboard for a car museum at one time. The rear doors do function. There's a lot of rust on the thing though, so the rear is not as supported as it needs to be, so some of these side doors don't close properly or don't open at all. It is a pumper truck. There's a pump. The idea is it would be hooked up to a fire hose or other water source and be able to pump water. But it is not a tanker truck. So there's no tank on this. It's open on the inside. And there would have been firefighters packed in here for the trip to the scene. By 1965 standards, this would have been high technology. Any truckers today might look at this and be thankful for what they have. It's a very interesting truck though, or at least I think so. Remember, click like and subscribe. Come back for additional episodes as we travel. We'll be going to some fire departments. We'll be just going random spots, and I'll also start to clean it up and repair and renovate now. So you're welcome to come along for the ride.